It's another victory for the richest person in the world, Carlos Slim's America's Movil, expected to win in Mexico's largest antitrust case ever. We're talking about potentially reversing a $1 billion fine against the wireless provider. Again, this would be a huge victory for Carlos Slim. Crayton Harris, you've been following this story for us on the case. So why are they potentially going to be able to reverse this fee? What's the background here?
Well, this fee was, and by the way, this is a record fee in Mexico, $1 billion, by far the biggest fine that the Antitrust Commission has issued. And what they have to do is allow the company to appeal directly to the same commission, which is what America Movil has done. And in this case, America Movil has actually gotten the president of the Antitrust Commission recused from the proceedings. So in the next vote, he won't be able to participate, and that makes it much more likely, based on the other votes we've seen, that America Movil will either get this fine either overturned completely or at least reduced.
Now, they've been going after Carlos Slim for a long time, yes?
Yeah, well, the Antitrust Commission has fines dating back to 2003 against Slim's companies, either America Movil or Telmex, the fixed line provider. And in each case, the phone companies have managed to get them overturned in court. There's a lot of legal maneuvering that they are able to do in the courts, and there have been various technicalities that they've been able to get these things thrown out just by holding up.
And Crayton, why has it been so hard to actually try to make this thing stick?
Well, again, the Mexican legal system's pretty complex, and it's not particularly open, so a lot of times you don't learn exactly about what happened until years later. But this is still kind of an evolving area of law in Mexico. The commission itself is less than 20 years old, so the Antitrust Commission, that is. So this is still kind of something that's under development in Mexico's history. And I talked to some antitrust scholars who said, as far as that goes, if you compare the first 20 years of Mexico's antitrust law to that of the United States, Mexico is actually pretty far advanced, but it is taking a while to work all this out.
Okay, Crayton Harris down in Mexico City, thank you for keeping us up.